Anytime you will try to find the reciprocal of the fraction, you're supposed to keep in mind that you're supposed to replace numerator by the denominator and denominator by the numerator. How it works? Simply, I have to move my 4 to the denominator and 5 to the numerator. My answer is going to be 5 over 4, okay? Now, but you have to keep in mind that we have to convert improper fraction to the mixed number. How we can do that? Let me remind you, we're supposed to divide 5 by 4. How many times 4 goes into 5? 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. My answer is 1 and 1/4. Remember, the top number goes always to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, and the divisor goes to the denominator. My answer is 1 and 1/4. Let's check another example. I have 25 over 12. We said anytime we want to find the reciprocal of the fraction, we have to replace numerator by the denominator and denominator by the numerator. So that's why I'm going to write this is 12 over 25. Now let's check another example. I have 7 over 5. If I want to find the reciprocal, so this is going to be 5 over 7. Okay, again, this is the proper fraction, and let's check if we can reduce anything. We cannot, because we do not have common factor which is going to reduce these two numbers, so that's why this is my answer for this problem. Let's check another one. I have to find the reciprocal of 4 over 29, so my answer is going to be 29 over 4. Okay, this is the example of the improper fraction. We said that anytime we have improper fraction, we want to convert this to the mixed number. Okay, so that's why I'm going to divide 29 by 4. How many times 4 goes into 29? 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. My answer is 7 and 1/4. Remember, the top goes to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my answer is 7 and 1/4.